Hey guys, so my name is Ty. My real name is Tiona, and basically today I'm going to be showing you how I typically moisturize my hair after I shampoo and condition and deep condition my hair, which I do once a week. So we're going to be using a couple different products because your girl was running out of some things. So I forgot my spray bottle. I need my spray bottle. I shall be right back. All right, so I have my heated water here, and there is some aloe vera juice in here that I just mixed in here. So if you see any floaties, that's what it is. So basically, I'm going to spray my hair first with this, section by section, with the hot water. Then I'm going to apply either my mustard seed oil, which I really love. And it's paraben and sulfate free, so I really love that. It's really good for your hair, and I do mention a lot of benefits about it in some of my other videos, so you should definitely check those out. Now I'm going to be switching on and off from the mustard seed oil to the lavender black castor seed oil. As you can see, there's not a lot in here either. I do have another bottle of this though, a full bottle that I haven't opened, but I want to use up some of my little items because, honey, my whole cabinet in my bathroom is full of hair products, and then I have a whole tote full of hair products, so I gotta start using some of that stuff. Okay, so my hair is completely washed, conditioned, and deep conditioned, and I went ahead and blow dried my hair because I'm going to do a twist out. But I wanted to show you guys how I typically rehydrate my hair, or how I moisturize my hair after I wash it. So here's the water. I'm not gonna like soak my hair, but I'm going to dampen it just so it's going to absorb the product better, because I have low porosity. So if you know anything about your hair porosity, then you know that our hair takes a long time to absorb the moisture. Here is the lavender black castor seed oil that I'm going to apply. Apply that much, if you can see. Next, I usually go in with the Shebe hair powder. You can definitely buy it on Instagram, and I can get you the person's name. As you can see, your girl is about empty. But this is what it typically looks like when you take it out of the jar. And you basically just got to give it a little body heat. And it just like slowly melts away in your hand. And then you just apply it on your hair. And then I just make sure I get my sides really good, because I don't know about you guys, but my edges are like very thin. Okay, so now I am going to split this in half. And then I'm going to show you how to receive a bomb twist out after you rehydrate your hair. Okay, it's with African Pride shea butter. I typically use this for my son hair. This is technically his product, but I just wanted to show you guys what it would do on my hair. And it's only a $5 product. And this is what it looks like. It's like a real putty. Okay guys, so I have completely did this side with the mustard seed oil, and I have been doing this side with, no, I lied. I did this side with the black castor seed oil, and I'm doing this side with the mustard seed oil, so we can kind of see if there is a difference. I got 2 more to go. I'm gonna just make this in the tube. Just getting the water through the hair here, and then taking my mustard seed oil. Just going to apply this to my part. That, make sure I get the ends really good, my edges. Now I'm gonna add our putty. Keep calling it putty. Pudding. Okay, and I just sprayed it with some more water because my hair, I believe, is trying to dry a little faster than the product soaking in, because my hair wasn't actually soaking wet. So I just re-wet it because that's gonna help make the rest of the product absorb into my hair. But I'm going to sleep on this for about 24 to 48 hours. So after 48 hours, we will be back so I can show you the results. So I will see you in 48 hours. Okay guys, good morning. I am back with my dry twist, and I did band these off camera because I wanted to add some stretch to my hair. So we'll see how that goes. And we're gonna be using this Curl Essence Moisturizing Oil Cocktail, which has Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil in it. Okay, so I'm now gonna just put this on my hands. I'm just gonna rub it in. It smells so good. And I'm just going to start taking the bands off my hair. And these are the little bands. There's no silver metal piece on them at all. So they're super good for your hair. And this is what my twists are looking like. So I'm gonna add a little bit more oil because I kind of rubbed a little bit of it off. So I wanna keep my frizz down to a minimum. And let's get started unraveling. I'm basically just going to reverse the twist the opposite way that I twisted it. Like that, and you see how it just opens up, and then I just go down to the bottom, and then it's done. And we'll come back and undo that in a minute.
Well, I have finished fluffing my hair. I've pretty much am going to style it to the side. So that is it for the tutorial today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave me some comments below. If you did enjoy the content, hit that like button. And if you would like to see more of my content, please smash that subscribe button and that bell icon so you will not miss any more uploads. And I will see you on the next video.